In Vietnam, downsizing your workforce is not simply a management decision, it is a legal event. Redundancy, retrenchment, or layoffs must be handled according to strict procedures under Vietnamese labor law, even when business reasons are clear, such as declining orders, restructuring, or automation. Employers must comply with statutory obligations. Failure to do so can turn a legitimate business adjustment into an unlawful termination case, resulting in reinstatement orders, double compensation, or reputational damage. The key to lawful restructuring is planning, documentation, and compliance. Redundancy and retrenchment are governed by Vietnamese labor regulations. These provisions require that 1. The company has legitimate business grounds, such as restructuring, technological change, or economic difficulty. 2. A labor utilization plan is developed and submitted to the competent labor authority. 3. Employee representatives or trade unions are consulted before any layoffs. 4. Affected employees receive proper notice and severance pay. Without following these procedures, any layoff is automatically classified as unlawful termination under Vietnamese law. 1. Identify legal grounds for redundancy. Redundancy is only lawful if the reason falls under one of the lawfully recognized grounds: organizational restructuring, merger, acquisition, division, or business model change. Technological innovation reducing the need for certain roles. Economic reasons, such as reduced demand or financial difficulty. Relocation or closure of a business unit. Employers must document these reasons in board resolutions, financial reports, or operational plans. LTS law advises clients to maintain a written record linking each redundancy to an identifiable business cause. 2. Prepare the labor utilization plan. The labor utilization plan is the backbone of any lawful layoff. It must include the list of employees to be retained, retrained, or laid off. Criteria for selection, seniority, skills, job function, options for retraining or redeployment, timeline and proposed severance payment. This plan must be developed in consultation with employee representatives and submitted to the competent labor authority for monitoring and record purposes before implementation. Skipping or backdating the labor utilization plan is one of the most common and costly mistakes employers make. 3. Consultation and employee communication. Vietnamese law requires transparent communication before any layoff. Employers must hold meetings with the company's employee representative organization or trade union to discuss the redundancy rationale and mitigation measures. Afterwards, employees must be notified in writing within the statutory notice period, typically at least 30 days in advance. The notice should specify the effective date, payment details, and legal basis. This consultation process is not just a courtesy, it's a mandatory condition for legality. 4. Notify the Department of Home Affairs and implement the plan. After consultation, the company must officially submit the labor utilization plan to the competent labor authority for review and monitoring. The Department of Home Affairs may request clarification or conduct a compliance inspection. Only after proper submission and consultation can the company proceed with the layoff. Employers should maintain proof of submission, correspondence, and employee acknowledgement. These documents form the legal defense if disputes arise. 5. Calculate severance pay and final benefits. Under Vietnamese labor law, employees with at least 12 months of service who are not fully covered by unemployment insurance are entitled to severance pay equivalent to half a month's salary per year of service. Employers must also pay full outstanding salary, unused annual leave, and other contractual benefits. All payments must be completed within 14 working days of termination. Precise calculation and timely payment demonstrate good faith and legal compliance during potential inspections. 6. Execute termination decisions properly. Each employee affected by redundancy must receive an official termination decision stating the legal basis under Vietnamese labor regulations on redundancy, the reason for redundancy, the effective termination date, the severance amount, and payment confirmation. The decision should be issued in Vietnamese, may be bilingual for foreign invested enterprises, and signed by the legal representative. Copies should be provided to the employee and kept on file. 7. Report and close administrative obligations. After completing the redundancy process, employers must update labor reports, adjust social insurance records, and finalize personal income tax clearances for affected employees. These post-termination filings confirm full compliance and prevent future audits or disputes. LTS law assists clients in completing these filings seamlessly, with local authorities to ensure documentation aligns across departments. 8. Our strategy: managing layoffs with respect and transparency. Legal compliance is only half the challenge. The other half is managing morale and reputation. Employers should communicate clearly about business reasons, support retraining or outplacement programs, and maintain transparency with both remaining and departing employees. A respectful, transparent process not only satisfies labor inspectors, but also protects the company's brand in Vietnam's tight labor market. 9. Common mistakes employers make. Even reputable foreign employers frequently make avoidable mistakes: conducting layoffs without a labor utilization plan, failing to consult unions or employee representatives, paying severance late or miscalculating benefits, implementing layoffs before the competent labor authority acknowledgement. Each error can result in reinstatement orders, fines, and inspection notices. A structured, compliant process is the only safeguard. 10. Case example: how LTS law helped a manufacturer execute a lawful retrenchment. A European manufacturer in Bac Ninh faced a 30% production decline and needed to reduce 120 employees. LTS law designed the labor utilization plan, conducted union consultations, and prepared all bilingual documentation. The plan was acknowledged by the competent labor authority, severance was paid correctly, and no disputes arose. The entire process concluded within 6 weeks, lawful, transparent, and reputationally safe. At LTS Law, we guide employers through every stage of redundancy and retrenchment, from HR audit and plan drafting to the competent labor authority submission and payment calculation. Our bilingual lawyers prepare all required documents, represent companies during consultations, and handle compliance reporting. We combine legal accuracy with HR strategy to help businesses restructure efficiently and humanely. In Vietnam, redundancy and retrenchment are not risks to fear, they are processes to manage. The difference between compliance and violation lies in preparation and execution. Whether your company faces restructuring, downsizing, or relocation, LTS law ensures every action follows Vietnamese law, from documentation to payment. Contact us today to develop your redundancy compliance plan and protect your business, your people, and your reputation.